This video shows you how to detail your alloy wheels as well as your tires and your wheel arches. Firstly, we want to remove all the loose dirt with a high pressure machine. Then we spray an acid-free chemical that breaks all the dirt down. After that, we scrub all over using a different variety of brushes. The Swissvax brush is a great tool because it doesn't scratch. We make sure brushing inside the rims, tires and wheel arches. Now it's time to rinse everything out. Next, we dry the wheel with a clean microfiber before dressing the tire with Swissvax pinion. Finally, we remove any excess of the dressing and then apply liquid wax on these rims to enhance the gloss and give protection for some time. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you soon. Bye!